Hi, I'm Dennis with Wise Auto Tools. If you've ever tried to solder wires together and found that you needed an extra hand to hold the wires together, you may have tried something like this. This has a lot of limitations to it. I want to let you know there's something better. I worked on cars for over 30 years and I used to hate to run across these type of connections. Sometimes these connections will work their way loose, and soldering is always a better, much more professional repair. Problem when soldering is trying to hold the wires together long enough so that you can solder them. Sometimes it's in a tight area, it may be underneath the dash or underneath the hood, where it's a little hard to get to, where you're not going to be able to put one of these old type holders. And now Assenmacher has come up with a magnetic base, flexible arm, spring-loaded, and it's got the spring-loaded connectors or holders that will hold the wire while you're soldering. You can hold it like this as you're soldering. Makes it much more easy, and you can also allow it to cool without having to hold it. You can just let it cool and walk away. That's a very good way of holding the wires together while you're soldering. There's also an attachment that end screws off the spring-loaded part. You can put this flashlight holder on the end of it as well if you just need some light for a little bit underneath the dash or in some tight area. There's a video on our product description that goes into more detail on the use of this tool, and check that out on our website. We have these available for shipping right away. If you have any questions, comment below.